Hi, I'm Tanzania, aka Tanzy the Glow Up Guru, and welcome to my channel. Alrighty guys, so here's a flashback to when I first made my crochet faux locks. And I used yarn on my short 4C TWA, and I believe it's relax or Texlax in this video. I tend to go back and forth. But yeah, I'm just showing you how I individually made it. And they're faux locks, but I believe I named them, what did I name them? Tanzy's Tangled Twist or something like that. No, it was Tanzy's Twisted Tangles. So yeah, I recycled the locks. After I took them out, I cut them off. Because, you know, I didn't cut my own hair. I just cut them out. And decided to make a wig. And this is a lace closure on a wig cap. It's like a crochet wig cap. And I'm just showing you how I take these old locks. And guys, I preserve them by putting them in plastic bags. But I would suggest, if by any chance, if the faux locks are wet, do not put them in plastic bags. But instead, put them in a satin bag. And they'll stay fresher and they won't grow mold or anything. I put mine in plastic bags, but nothing happened because they weren't wet. So make sure you put them in satin bags just in case they are wet, because you don't want no mildewy locks, okay? And right now I am just curling the hair. And yeah, I use these wooden dowels. I'll leave some links to where you can get some. And yeah, I showed myself making the curly hair and using boiling hot water. And yeah, that junk is hot. Woo! And I'm just going to keep on pouring from what I see. And guys, I'm sorry for being out. I've been missing in action, MIA. Been dealing with some health issues, but I am doing a lot better. And so, yeah. Continue watching. Please don't skip during this video. And yes, guys, I'm being ratchet and using a fork to maneuver it in the water. Don't judge. You know you tried it too. But anyway, they come in handy. You can always clean a fork. Don't judge me. Also, guys, my other platforms are TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I'm mainly going to be on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. So please check me out as Tanzy the Glow Up Guru. Those will be my names. Well, name on those platforms. So right now, I'm just showing you how I attach the locks, I believe. The faux locks to the wig. And yeah. All right, let's go. Let's get to action. And I'm just showing you how they look. They look crazy, but I like it. So far, I am going to just keep showing you the wig. Let's see. Okay, there you go. And these are some faux locks I've had for years. Like, I never used them, but they're kind of skinny and I wanted to get rid of them. So, yeah, I'm just pulling it through using my latch hook. It's a nice thick latch hook too, so it don't break. I believe I got this off of Amazon. So what I do is I apply it to the hair, and I'm just taking another one and applying it. And guys, do not add too much hair, because I noticed at the end of finishing this wig, it was way too much hair and it hurt my neck. So yeah, be careful when you do it. Like, you see where that little band is on the wig? Do not put hair on that little band, because the wig will become heavy and hurt your neck. Because I ended up putting hair all around that little elastic band right there where the T-pins are stuck in it. Yeah, don't do that. Right now, I'm showing you a close-up of how I did it. Just go under, take the latch hook, make sure it's open. Go underneath go in the hole of the cap. And I'm showing you how there's a little hole inside the lock, the crochet lock. I think I'm showing you, huh? No. Yeah. And then put it on the latch hook, close the latch hook, pull it through, and then take it and grab the tail of the lock and put it onto the latch hook and pull it through the hole as well. And that should secure it. It'll basically make a knot in itself. I think I'm showing it. Sorry guys, I just want to do a close-up. You know what I mean? Just in case. So right now I'm showing you a lock that I had cut out of my own hair that I made before the crochet. Well, it was a faux lock. But now I'm crocheting it with the new locks, the ones I got, the old locks. Well, they are new. They've never been opened, but they are old, I guess. And so I'm just adding it to I made a knot on the faux locks, on the faux lock itself, the ones I had already made. And then I tie it, basically make a knot using the crochet hook. And then I take the hair apart that's from the new lock. Let's put it this way. The new lock is going to be the ones that I just showed you that were in a little bag. Container, not container. Darn it. It was in something. And basically, I just use this flat iron, y'all. It's old. I use it not on my hair. I don't really got much hair, but once I wrap the hair around itself, I'll go in with a flat iron and kind of like mold it, because it is plastic hair. Just be careful. Don't hold the flat iron on too long and don't have it too high, because you could burn right through the lock and then you just defeated the purpose. You want to look good. And so I'm just rubbing it together, palm rolling it. And that's the bag of hair, crochet locks that I'm using. Just to show you, you don't have to throw it away, ladies. You can do it. You can make your own wig out of faux locks that you have just gotten rid of out of your hair. Yeah. Also, guys, please like this video. And it would be so awesome if you could leave me a comment telling me what you think about my video. And I would be so grateful if you would do that and subscribe. If you don't subscribe, at least leave your girl a comment. I truly would appreciate it. It helps the algorithm and it helps YouTube notice me, because I've been going for a while, y'all. Help me blow this bad boy up. And I will be posting more videos as I go. Like I said, I've been having health issues. But right now, oh, it's a kitty cat. Oh, yeah, he said, please don't forget to leave a comment. There you go. And then there's me. Like, subscribe, please. And God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.